Welcome. Today, we're walking you through how to disable Trends for You on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. If you're tired of seeing personalized trending topics, follow these simple steps to turn them off. First, open X in your preferred web browser. Once logged in, look to the left side of your screen for the menu bar. From there, click on the More icon. It's usually represented by 3 dots or a similar symbol. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the area where you can manage your account and privacy preferences. Once inside, click on Privacy and Safety, which is listed among the options. Now, navigate to Content You See. Under this section, you'll find various settings related to what appears in your feed. Click on Explore Settings, which specifically controls trending topics and recommendations. Finally, locate the option labeled Trends for You and toggle it off. This will disable personalized trending topics tailored to your activity and interests. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Trends for You on X using your PC. By following these steps, you can enjoy a cleaner and less distracting feed tailored to your preferences. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this guide with anyone looking to customize their experience on X.